How to return items on Shein. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily return items on the Shein app. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now, let us jump right in. So the first thing that you want to do is open up your Shein app or the website. And once you land on the application, you'll just have to make sure that you are logged into your account. As you can see, I'm already logged in. Now here I've added some items to my cart. And then from here, if you want to track your orders, you just want to head over to the Me section right here and then tap on Orders. Tap on My Orders and your orders can be listed for different filters like All Orders, your Unpaid Orders, Processing, Shipped, Review, and Returns. And the items that you have returned will appear right here. As you can see, I haven't returned anything yet, so it's empty here. What you want to do is head over to all orders and select the order that you want to return. Now, in this part, you will have to be actually very careful because you'll have to provide a valid detail for why you want to return the item or if the item is defective or something like that. Now once you have selected the item, you will find an option to return the item, so just tap on it. And once you've done that, the item will be moved to the Returns tab right here. And that's how you can return an item on Shein. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.